Former United States President George W. Bush mistakenly described the invasion of Iraq as brutal and unjustified, before correcting himself to say he meant to refer to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Bush made the comments in a speech during an event in Dallas on Wednesday, while he was criticizing Russia's political system.
In contrast, Russian elections are rigged. Political opponents are imprisoned or otherwise eliminated from participating in the electoral process. The result is an absence of checks and balances in Russia and the decision of one man to launch a wholly unjustified and brutal invasion of Ukraine. Brutal invasion of Iraq. Brutal invasion of Iraq. Brutal invasion of Iraq.